about and understand a new concept called as variable arguments. Variable arguments. To understand this concept, you must be having knowledge in arrays and other one is what? How to call the method calling. How to call method. Okay. Now observe here. This is what variable argument or varying arguments. Otherwise we can call as this one varying arguments. That is what whereas. It's a concept. What is that one? Whereas. What is that one? Whereas. Okay. Now observe. How to declare this whereas? Whereas are varying arguments. Okay. Observe here. Take one data type, put 3 dots and one identifier variable name. That's all. Understand? That varying arguments are variable arguments can be declared in this way. What is the main advantage of this one? What is the main advantage of this one in our Java? We discuss. So this one is what? You have to put data type and three dots variable name. Okay, variable name. This dot should not be separated. Okay, this dot should not be separated. You can write those dots just to the variable or in between variable and data type. Otherwise, just next to the data type also you can put. Okay, next to the data type also you can put. Okay, observe here example. Int dot a. It is called as varying argument. Okay, now observe here. To understand this example, we must go to one code. Through demonstration you can understand. Class Anila. Yes sir. Now void m1 method. Void m2 method. Void, what is this one? M2 method. Void M2 method. How to call M1 method? I want to call M1 method. Within M2. M1 of nothing. Yes, correct. Object. Okay. Anil A equals to new Anil. Okay, na? A dot M. In other way also we can call, but I recommend you to use always what? Object. Okay. Now, let us understand why we should not create all of those objects later on. Now, I am going to put here int A. Now, how to call? Yes, int value should be there for M1 method. Actual argument should be there now. Now, int B equals to double X. Let it be as what? A B here. Okay? B. Any doubt in this? Any doubt? Sure. I can believe. Okay. Now, observe. This is what? One way. Now, at execution time, what happens? Values will be substituting. If I substitute values, it will be as what? Int A equals to 8. Double X. I discussed the value. Substituting values means what? Int A equals to double X with respect to primitives. This one. Okay. With respect to primitives. With respect to substituting. If it is user value means if it is user value means if it share the user value. Here no separate copy is there. Okay. It is what? Separate copy. Okay. This is called as found by value. Okay. Now observe here. Okay, now I can use this variable within this one. If you do observe here, this is like declaring a variable inside inner block. Local variable, right? Let us now discuss about variable. Now, other case. Observe. Other case. Void M1 now. Int A array. Hello, this is also one data type, right? Let us know. Int array is also what? Derived data type, right? Observe here. We can write like this also. Otherwise, we can write an array like this also. Okay, array. Now, if you observe here, void M2, void M2. Now, we want to call M1 method. How to create Anil? B is equals to new. Anil, right? Now, B dot M1, but I want array right here. Let us know how to create array. Int A array equals to new int A and new int array of. Okay. Now observe here. I can pass what here? A. Let us know. I can pass what? A. Let us know. That's all. Earlier variable int B. Now it is what? Int A array variable. Unupdated. Understood? Any doubt in this? Any doubt? Sure. With a single bit. Not there. Okay? Any doubt in this? No doubt. Okay? Now observe here. Make sure M1 now int. So I have to call that M1 method by passing one int value only, right? Let us know. I want to call that M1 method by using what one? Int value here in this case. Int value. Here I can call that M1 of integer by using what? Integer array. Okay. Now observe here. Void M1 now or M4 of int I. Now void M5. Within M5 I want to call what? I want to call what? M4 method. B dot M4. Okay. Now to call M4 I want one integer variable, right? Int A equals to 8. If I pass here 8, yes or no? Yes. Yes or no? It is not valid call. It is not valid call. Observe. It is not valid call. Observe here. Syntax. No comparator method. Observe. No comparator method. End of the file reached. Okay. End of the profile from class. You cannot find the symbol B dot M4. Oh. Why this one error? Okay, we copied. We copied, right? Okay. Void M4. I copied from paint, right? Okay. Int I. Okay. Int I. Okay. Now what is this one? Void M5. What is this one here? Anil V is equals to new Anil. Okay. Now V dot M4 of what? One int value na. Let it be int A equals to 8. Now this one is what? A. Above here now it is valid. Now combine them together. Oh, what is this one? Cannot find the symbol. Oh, alright. Okay, here the class is what? Anil, right? I am making the class as what? Normal. Okay, Anil. Okay, observe. Now combine them together. Okay. Okay. Now my requirement is, observe here. I want to call a M4 method by passing one more variable b equals to 8. One more variable b. Is it possible now? Oi, how many arguments? Formal argument? One. Actual arguments are how many? 2. Not matching, right? Combine level, observe. Understand? Understand? Observe. Understand? Okay. Now observe here. Okay. Let me see. See. Observe same component mirror. Yeah. When the reference class I cannot be applied to. Anything coming in. Observe here. I found this for anything coming in, but I require is not in. Okay. Now done. Observe here. Now I want to call that one with the same method with d equals to double a. This one is what? Double a only. This one is what? Triple a. Understand this one? Any doubt in this? Sure. No doubt. Sure. Sure, I can believe. Now we are going to get combined error. No doubt. Observe here. No. Now my requirement is I want to call this method in any way. I want to call this one with function g also. It is not possible because only one formal argument and based on the formal argument only at method of only you have to write actual arguments. Based on the formal arguments only you have to write what? Actual argument. So there it is not one. Okay, but actual arguments are how many? 3. How to avoid that one? Okay, now you write here where-arg. What is that one? Where-arg. Syntax. Now this method is called as where-arg method. This method is called as what? Where-arg method, because where-arg is there, varying argument is there. Now observe here, earlier it is giving error right for us. Observe error. So now this method will accept any number of values. You can pass even 0 actual arguments also. Observe here d dot m5 or nothing. It will be valid. No combined error. No combined error. Any doubt in this? Sure. So what is where-arg method means? Observe here. If I want to call a method, okay, if I want to call a method with any number of arguments, then I have to go for where-arg method. That's all. Observe. What is variable argument? Syntax. Data type, real plus variable. Where-arg method. Okay. If a method contains argument as variable argument or varying argument, it's called as where-arg method. Otherwise, if you want to call a method with any number of actual arguments, then I have to go for where-arg method. You can call where-arg method with any number of actual arguments. Yes or no? Internally, this is what single dimension array. Internally implemented as what? Single dimension array. Now, if it is really an array, okay, if it is really an array, if it is really what? An array. Okay, now I can access those values right here within this one. Yes or no? Normal for loop, for R. Okay, int j equals to 0, j less than what? I dot length. If it is an array, definitely within that array there must be length. Yes or no? Less than I dot length j. Now system dot out dot. Now system dot out dot. System dot out dot. Okay, this is what I for each of this one, what is that one? I of okay. Over here, gate will be there, doublet will be there, triplet will be there. Okay. Okay, observe. Now let us execute. Yes, now what is the file name? Anil. Java Anil. What is the main method? One main method in it. We have to call the main method. Okay. Now, public static void. Public static void main. Public static void main. Now, how to call the M5 method? Unengaged equals to. So now, how to call that one? A equals to new. Now A dot M5. Okay. Now come here. Compile this one. Execute. Okay. String up. This is what the string. Array of. This is what variable are. I can write variable name even not here. Mohando also. Nothing to worry. It is valid only. Okay. Observe. Because variable is what? Identified na. Apply all the rules for identify. Now it is what? Valid. Now observe. Base Java other one is what? Java oh, it's not getting terminated. Why? J. Coming that one is not that. J. J is an IDA terminate. A is what? C is what? W, D is what? Okay, that's a mistake. What is going on? Anyhow, error. One time exception. Logic is working fine. System not out that printer enough. I off. Check that only. Where the mistake? Okay. Here y and fine. Ayo, because the function call. Okay, after. That only. Understand? 8 the way replace is the output. Okay. So variable argument is what? What argument? The same example. This is what variable argument. Now I am calling that the method. This what capital A dot. Now what will be the output? 8 okay, 8 that's not, I'm not using any. Okay. Still here, this is what your where and the where argument method. So what is the main advantage of where argument method? You can call that method with any number of actual arguments. You can call that one with any number of actual arguments.